Hello, my name is Masha and I'm a chemical engineering student at the University of Calgary. Since I completed the happiness program half a year ago, I have noticed several changes in my daily life. I'm a very emotional person that tends to get very excited and loud at times. Doing my Sudarshan Kriya in the morning has helped me become more calm and control my emotions better. Sometimes I would snap at my family or get mad at my sister. Through not seeing mistakes in anybody's actions, I don't need to control my anger because I simply don't have it anymore. For my studies, I noticed that my grades improved. I was able to concentrate better and I was more efficient. I used to be very nervous when I would go into my exams, and with my morning practice, I now go into my exam feeling confident and calm. I was very skeptical when I went into this course and my instructor told me all these amazing stories. I thought that just like always, they're good stories, but I probably won't see any results. But I was proven wrong. During my course and after it, I saw drastic positive changes in my attitude towards others. I felt pure and calm. My mind is not in the past or the future, it is in the present, and I'm enjoying and treasuring every moment I get a lot more than before. I never thought that breath has such a power of transforming people, and I'm glad that I have had the chance to experience it.